How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on Android. If WhatsApp call is not ringing on your Android device, then the first thing you want to do is make sure DND is turned off on your Android device. So go ahead and check that. If DND is turned on, you simply want to tap on that and then turn it off. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings. From this list, find apps, then select that. Now, a list of all the applications will be shown over here. You simply want to find WhatsApp, select that. Now tap on the notifications option. Here you want to ensure that you have toggled on the notifications option. So if it is turned off, go ahead and toggle it on and then allow the notifications over here. Select notification category, and here you want to make sure that everything such as call notification is toggled on. Now head back. Now select permissions. Here make sure that you have granted access to microphone, contacts, and phone over here. So if it is not allowed, then you simply want to tap on that and then tap on the allow option. Next thing you want to do is select the battery. Now, if that is set to restricted, then you simply want to select unrestricted or optimize. Now you also want to make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and stable. Restart your phone to refresh the system, open WhatsApp, and now this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.